Hello, my name is Artifeni from Mechanical Engineering B1. I will explain what welding is. Welding is a process of joint to metal piece. The whose heat temperature the liquid metal with multi is become solid metal, which will us from a welded joint. Welding safety equipment. 1. Automatic thickening helmet. 2. Welding glove. 3. Welding board. 4. Welding apron. 5. Lightning wake welding jacket. 6. Buck wet Mars airflow. There are several welding techniques. 1. Electric ARC welding. 2. Metal active gas. 3. Gas welding up to instant. 4. Submerged arc welding. 4. Laser beam welding electric. An electric arc is created from a short circuit reaction due to contact the electrode tip with the metal. This type of welding considered practical, cheap and efficient. Therefore, instead of welding is daily use KMAW was welding with two welded joint. The type is consumable electrode. Thick is type was two-strand electrode, which are included in the non-consumable electrode category. KMAW welding is type of welding process on joint metal material that uses heat source from electric energy which is converted in heat energy. KMAW welding function joining two or more metal to avoid a connection strike the will acceptance requirement. But the definition is KMAW welding is included in the semi-automatic welding process. MAG welding. The MAG welding is process with CO2 cylinder gas during the welding process. If you want to use the spray transfer type, you must mix CO2 gas with helium gas argon. MIG welding is the from electric ARC. Used for melting the metal. B. Welded the action metal. MIG welding is often used for nice quality and strong steel, including the that are high corrosion resistant and metal that cannot be welded with of techniques. Submerged ARC welding. Submerged ARC welding is voltages are at but between electrodes that is fed continuously. The head of the air melt the base surface of the metal and the tip of the electrode to form a weld. Laser beam welding is generally operated with a gas shield to prevent oxidation. Laser beam welding is used to weld small components. Thank you.